everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Tanya and I will be really happy if you can take a moment and subscribe to the channel below. Today in this video, I will be sharing my honest articleship experience at a mid-sized firm. And if you are a CA student and you are starting your articleship or somewhere in between, or you want to know what the work life looks like at a CA firm, then this video is for you. After completing almost 3 years of my articleship, I decided to make a video about my honest experience, the good, bad, and everything in between. I'll walk you through my experience in the statutory audit of a listed entity, concurrent audit, statutory audit of the banks, and also the finalization of books of manufacturing and trading concerns of like a sole proprietorships, partnership firms, and tax audit seasons, and also how I balanced my studies along with the work, and yes, the mistakes I made, the lessons I learned, and what I wish I knew on the first day of my articleship, and everything related to articleship. So let's just get into the video. The first question I would like to address is why I choose this firm and how I choose this firm. So when I was looking for articleship, I always wanted a firm that provides me exposure in different domains and not just limiting my experience to a particular domain. And also the second reason was I didn't wanted to travel daily because I had to manage the studies and work, of course. I understand that traveling teaches you a different perspective of life, but managing all of it together was not my cup of tea. I knew I won't be able to manage, so I was looking for a firm that was pretty close to my home. So I joined this firm, and also I was lucky enough to get the exposure that I always wanted, because I eventually want to start my own practice someday, and so this added up to my resume pretty well, and I got a decent exposure. So yes. Next up, I would like to address is the expectations and the realities I faced. So the expectations I had on day one was that I will be analyzing the financial statements, I will be discussing complex issues with the client, I will be preparing ratios and big presentations and everything, and high level analysis on like in the first year only. But then eventually I understood that you have to start with the basics, and then you will do that all of it on someday. So yes, the reality is completely different. You will be involved in initially in vouching and verifications, documentation, understanding the business processes, pointing out the observations to understand the work culture and everything. Later on, you will be involved in the larger sections independently. You will be handling the audit assignments and raising the queries and following up with the client, and also you will be coordinating the team, and also you will be involved in the client's discussion and everything. And lastly, you will be involved in the major assignments with less supervision. You will be reviewing the work of the juniors, and you will be helping the seniors to finalization of the reports and books. And so you will be dealing directly with the client and draft the audit observations. And yes, let's talk about my first day of articleship. So I was excited, nervous, anxious, and there was a mixed feeling because I didn't know anyone at work, and I wasn't even sure that I will be continuing, or how I will be able to handle the work that will be assigned to me, because uh, till intermediate we don't get the exposure of the office work, and the textbooks are different and the practical life is completely different. So yes, and looking back at those days, I like back in June 2023, I could not tell that I will be handling a listed client on my own, and also going for an outstation audit later in years. So it is a completely different feeling, and once you go through, you will understand how it feels. And all I would like to say is trust the process, and let the things go, and just keep a balance with the things, and prioritize the task, and you're good to go. Let's talk about the biggest learning of my articleship, that is the statutory audit of a listed entity. So the major part of my articleship period was involved in the audit of a listed entity. The entity was involved in manufacturing of iron and steel things, and there were multiple processes to handle. Initially I focused on understanding the documents and getting familiar with the audit procedures I had to apply. And so when I was assigned the listed entities audit, I didn't had the support and the basic understanding of how the entity works. Like मतलब ये नहीं बताया गया था कि वो मुझे ऑडिट मतलब मुझे जाके ऑडिट पे करना क्या है, व्हाट डू आई हैव टू चेक एंड एवरीथिंग. सो देन आई यूज़ माई ब्रेन एंड मैंने मैंने उस एंटिटी को समझा कि वो क्या काम करती है, उसके फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स पढ़े जितना मैं पढ़ सकती थी. एंड देन आई अंडरस्टूड कि इसमें की मैनेजमेंट पर्सनल्स कौन है एंड कि बिज़नेस क्या है, कि कैसे ये वर्क करता है, क्या चीज़ परचेज़ हो रही है, क्या चीज़ सेल हो रही है, क्या चीज़ कैसे अकाउंटिंग हो रही है. एंड आई अंडरस्टूड द इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर की ओके व्हाट इज़ द प्रोसेसेस. एंड देन आई जितना मतलब मैं अपने उससे समझ सकती थी, आई अंडरस्टूड व्हाट द ऑडिट ऑफ अ लिस्टेड एंटिटी लुक्स लाइक. सो अगर आपको लिस्टेड एंटिटी के ऑडिट के बारे में कुछ भी और जानना है या आपको कुछ पता है कि CA स्टूडेंट शुड नो, देन फील फ्री टू कमेंट डाउन. एंड yes. Then let's talk about the concurrent audit of the banks. So the concurrent audit is like the ongoing audit of the transactions at a banking institution on the real-time basis. So I got to understand the banking terminologies like the cash credits, overdraft, NPAs, loan sanctions, and various types of schemes under which the accounts are opened, and loans and advances and everything. I understood how the auditor has to report using Finacle and ethics, and also I got to understand the drawing power calculations, the loan disbursements, and housing loans, vehicle loans, gold loans, and everything one needs to check at a concurrent audit. So if you have ever done a concurrent audit, then hit the like button and don't forget to share your experience in the comment section.